My son and daughter adore Christmas times. The supper, presents, choir, and rhymes. Will I be together with them this year? I hope that we are together right here. My son's Christmas present is a baseball bat. Will he be surprised when he opens that? For my dear daughter, I'll give a doll kit. Will she be surprised if her brother destroys it? Will they be with me this Christmas Eve? Will we be a family? And will they not leave? Will you be my friend and hope for a miracle? Don't follow my lead. Don't do it so lyrical.